We are fast approaching Chinatown, Calgary.
Kumaliwa ka rito sa red light para makita mo ng konti.
Yeah.
Chinatown.
It's right here?
Yeah, make a left in here.
So we're gonna be entering Chinatown district.
Kumana na tayo. Kumana na tayo
Yes,
dito.
look at that, Po City. Okay.
Kumana pa ulit tayo dito. Yan mga Chinatown.
This is the Chinatown in Calgary. See the flag?
We can actually say
Mga seniors home ng
Asian.
Chinatown. Ito, seniors home ng Chinatown.
Senior home in Chinatown.
Isang block na lang natira. So, ikot tayo one more time. Go around the block. Nakita mo yung mga sign na Chinese. Nakita mo yung
Yeah,
mga
the sign is Chinese.
Mm.
Eye Care Center. Hi guys.
Turn right tayo dito.